Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to build your website on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go on Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and create your account, or of course, if you already have an account, you can just go and log in and start Wixing. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have your website, we have the setup, the home, getting paid, all payments, apps, site and mobile, inbox, settings, and everything, design, site, everything here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and build your website on Wix. So here we have the dashboard, as you can see. Here in the top right corner, we have design site. So you can go and update some stuff here in the very start because this is a new fresh website that I have just made. But you can click on design site in the top right corner, or you can click it on the bottom right corner, left corner. When you click on design site, here guys, you will be brought to a screen where you can go and create and build your Wix site. So here you can generate a design with AI or customize it with the custom template. You can then pick up a template. For instance, let's go and pick up this one. Click on edit, and now you can go and edit this template to create your, of course, Wix site. So when it loads, just a few seconds, wait for it to load. It takes a couple of seconds because it's building a whole website for you, basically a template. So as you can see, preparing your site. And here guys, you can go and edit whatever you want. So you have the plus where you can edit everything. You can click publish in the top right corner to publish your website, and everything is here what you can go and change. So guys, that's everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.